Hi and welcome back. Today for breakfast or lunch, because it'll last me a while, nice cup of tea, I'll be making a nice bread using self-raising flour, and of course my key ingredients for today's bread is going to be the lovely cranberry and raisins mix. It should be really nice. It's a sweet bread today. I fancy something sweet. So simple things: flour in the pot, water, mix the raisins in, and then put on the heat. And I will be cooking it today on the Dakota fire hole, if I'm mentioning it correctly, or pronouncing it correctly. Hopefully I am. And we get to it. So make the fire, get grill on there, so sanitize the grill, and put the bread on there once it's all ready. So next step is all the preparation work for the flour and the cranberry and raisins. Let's get to the step 2. Well, we've got the flour in. I'm going to put some raisins in. Come on. Want to have it nice and sweet. You see how it goes. Just add a little bit more flour. And give it a little mix now. Oh, nice. I think it's a good amount. It's good done. Very well. I try not to get my hands dirty because it's not very nice. It takes a bit of an effort to get your hands clean afterwards. But you try your best. If you can, you can. If not, just go get on with it. Good. I could put some more raisins. Woohoo! Love it. As you can see, it's starting to bind really well. Getting there. Just takes a few minutes. Put a bit more flour. I just don't want it to stick on my hands at all. Okay, that's ready for kneading with my hands now. Shouldn't be too bad. Almost out. Just got to knead it a little bit more. It's looking really good. Okay, I think that's alright. What I'll do now, I'll leave it sit for about 5-10 minutes, and then next stage we'll start the fire, get it nice and hot, and put the bread on. Or the bannock, or whatever you want to call it. I can call it bannock bread, whatever tickles your fancy. Well, that's it. I got my pit ready. Got some dry grass in there at the bottom and some twigs on top. I got a little bit more here. Just give it ready grass and more wood. So it's just small pieces of wood. You don't have to use long, hard chunks of wood just to make this one. It's just more twigs and little pieces what you need. And that's it. It's ready to go. I've got the grill there ready. So let's ignite this fire and get cooking. Well, the bread is done with cranberries and raisins. Oh, nice. Take it out. A bit hot. There you go. That is gorgeous. Let's give it a try. Nice feel to it. Oh, mate. That is delicious. Nice and fruity. Oh, wow. This will go fantastic with tea. Oh my goodness. So I wish I could share this with you. Look at it. Oh, all that fruity in there. So easy to do. And this ain't going to waste. Oh wow. Anyway, till next time. See you later.